Hi there, this is Magic Mike here recording a video on how to reset a doorbell, an ARLO doorbell. By the way, I love ARLO. Thank you very sure for ARLO. Right, so what you need to have is the doorbell right here. You need to have a pin like this. You need a juice or coffee because sometimes it can get hectic. It can take a little much more than what you anticipated, or you might even, be under pressure to do this. And yeah, the juice calmed me down. Okay, great. So let me go right here, make sure everything is okay. So I go on the ARLO app. You're gonna go on devices, then you press that star. We are going for the doorbell. Right, you're gonna go for essential. You go next. You're gonna next, continue. Right, continue. You come to here where you need to put your Wi-Fi password. Always make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi that you are connecting the doorbell to. Right, I continue. I make sure the battery is in. Great. So here, before I do this, if your doorbell was originally connected to another Wi-Fi, this is where you need to take this pin. You're gonna come here, you pop it in, and you press a bit hard. Actually, if you are you are looking at your doorbell, unfortunately I'm recording as I'm doing this, right, you will see it will start to flash very fast here. Right, so it means your doorbell is reset, it's ready, to take the new Wi-Fi. I go continue. Once I continue, I will come here, I'll press the doorbell, and then once it's flashing like this, right, I am gonna take my camera and I'm gonna be lifting up like a slow aircraft, right? You need to be very patient until you hear a sound. Okay, until this is where you might need that juice or that coffee or that tea. I don't know what calms you down. Okay. Oops, it's not happening. Okay. I try to go a bit past. I lift it up. And I need to hear that sound. Until I hear that sound, I can't continue. I need to be very patient. This is where we say patience is a virtue. Okay. Am I a patient person? I have to, especially when I am doing things like this. Okay. I haven't heard the sound. Okay. Until I hear that sound. The sound is not coming. And I get most of the clients frustrated at this point. But I would want you to stay with me. Okay. Please take coffee, please take some juice, take some water. I don't know what calms you down. Until you hear the sound, there is nowhere where you can go. Okay. Until you hear that sound, we are not proceeding. We are not calling anything, and we are not quitting. Okay. Sound. Is there a problem with the doorbell, with the app? No, nothing. This is where you get tested of patience. Okay. Oops. You see how it is? Even Magic Mike, this doorbell doesn't respect anybody. Where is the sound? There goes the sound. Awesome. Right. Now you go next. It's going to be searching, and you can have your juice, your tea. While it is searching for the doorbell. Okay. It's searching, and it's searching. Right. It is found. Yiruka is found now. Right? Immediately here, immediately you write doorbell. Okay. Great. So now it's checking for updates. Checking for updates. Okay. It's updating the software, the firmware, any updates that we might have updated on our software to make sure that it works for you. And all right, great. Your ARLO device, right? Everything is ready now. We go continue. Right. So here it is important. If you are charging your doorbell manually using battery, you choose battery and you go ahead. If it is connected to your wires so that it can ring inside the house, you choose wired. You go continue. You're gonna just push next. Continue. Okay. Now I don't need an angle. Okay. So I move. I continue. Please check this section. If it is connected, as it's now we've chosen where it's connected to your mains, we choose mechanical so that it can ring inside the house, and then finish. Okay, so it's saying it's onboarding. I'm gonna go back again, which means it had not updated everything successfully. So I went back to that step again. I choose mechanical always. Right. Finish. Right, there we are. It's all done. All done. There is Magic Mike appearing on the doorbell. All right. Magic Mike appearing on the doorbell. Thank you so much. All right, Magic Mike. Now wait for your referrals. Yours truly, Magic Mike.